These are the only fruits and vegetables you should be eating in the month of April. Why? Because they're in season. Let me show you how I smoothie prep for the whole month to stay on track, feel good, and save time. Watch this. First, let's slice up the strawberries. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, great for your immune system and just bring that natural sweetness. Kale is packed with iron and fiber. It's good for your gut and circulation. And spinach gives you that full body support. We're talking bone strength, eye health, and even energy. This is that combo you need right here. I keep everything in separate bowls, so when it's time to bag it up, it makes it so smooth, no overthinking, no stressing. I build out each bag with a little bit of everything. A little bit of kale, mix that with a little pinch of strawberries, a couple of blueberries, and then top it all with some spinach. These go straight into the freezer, so when it's time to blend, I'm already halfway there. When I'm ready, just grab a couple of smoothie packs and drop them in the blender. Next, 1 cup of almond milk. That's my base. Smooth, dairy-free, and keeping it light at the same time. Next is a scoop of my Vital Spice Daily Blend. This is filled with the 8 essential herbs that we all need on a daily basis. It helps boost with energy. It has plenty of anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps with digestion too. Just 1 tablespoon of that right up in there. Next, I add that Allergy Aid Plus. This is my go-to during allergy season. It's a citrus-forward blend that includes ginger, turmeric, and a whole bunch of other essential herbs that we need to stay safe during this allergy season. Both of these are available at UncleDibs.com. Just hit the link in my bio or visit the link in my description. Last, top everything off with a couple of capfuls of apple cider vinegar. Let's give it a blend. I'm doing a 7-day Easter fast, 1 smoothie a day to feel better, stay consistent, and to reset our bodies. If you'd like to join me, make sure you drop April in the comments. Let's try this out. That's good, shorty.